Hi, I'm Clayton Dewey with Dev Collaborative. Welcome to part 2 of enhancing the authoring experience of your Drupal website. In our first post, we enabled the Gin admin theme, which you can see here, nice and clean. And if we come to an article, yeah, the styling is great. The user interface design in general is really nice. But as you may notice, there's a lot going on here for a relatively simple content type. We only have a title, body field, tags, and image. And there's a lot of other options that your authors may not ever need to use, in which case hiding that from them just makes that authoring process a lot more streamlined and easier for them. So I'm going to show you everything you can do here just within Drupal core. So a really great feature that Drupal has is something that you find under structure, content types, and since we're working with the article, which is the manage form display. And that gives us some control over that form. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the things that our authors are never going to need to touch. Let's say, for example, this promoted to front page. We don't have that option. If an article is published, let's say it just goes to the front page. We don't need that. Sticky at top of lists. If you don't need that, hide it from your authors. Don't have comments on this article, remove this comment section. And we'll go ahead and save this form. Hop back over to the article. And as you can see, those elements are no longer there. Let's clean up a few other things. This preview button, I never use the preview button. And if your authors don't either, we might as well hide that. Also with menu settings, a lot of times we define that programmatically. Let's say an article is just automatically added to the news section of a menu. If that's the case and you're adding nodes for a content type in that way, and you don't want your authors ever messing with that, we can hide that. So go to structure, content types. In this case, we're going to edit the article. And down here in submission form settings, preview before submitting, we're going to set that to disabled. We're not promoting anything to the front page, so we're going to uncheck that. And menu settings, we'll just uncheck this. Now, of course, this is something to double check with your development team, make sure that this is intended and you really do want to do that. So we come back over here, add our content, and that preview button is no longer there. That menu settings option is no longer there. We're already on our way to a much cleaner interface. In our next video, we'll take a look at some contrib modules to improve this even more. Thanks for watching.